Identifying trend reversals at key pivot points is crucial for any serious traders. Being able to spot when price breaks structure and starts a new trend gives us a major edge in our trading decisions. We're all familiar with basic pivot indicators, but what if we could get a dynamic trailing stop that adapts to market structure and gives us clear buy and sell signals? So that's why we created the Pivot Trend Indicator. Once loaded on your chart, the first thing you'll notice is the blue and red trend lines, with a clear buy and sell signal for each of them. Blue naturally indicates an uptrend and red indicates a downtrend. See here, when we get our buy signal marked with B, we begin a strong uptrend, and here, when we get our sell signal marked with an S, we start a downwards move. What's powerful about this indicator is it uses a pivot point calculation to create a dynamic trend stop line. See here, this line acts as our key support and resistance level that trails with the trend. When we're in an uptrend, this line acts as a support below the price, and when we're in a downtrend, it acts as a resistance above it. The indicator calculates these pivot points based on the highest and lowest prices within a specified range of bars, giving us a true representation of market structure. Now, here's what makes it really useful for entries. Price loves to bounce off of these levels. See here, we get our initial buy signal, price starts trending up, and then it pulls back and touches our blue line. This is a perfect long entry on the retest with our pivot line because it acts as a support. Price bounces right off of it and continues higher. Here's another example. We're in an uptrend, price retests our trailing stop line, bounces, and we get another leg up. These retests are highly probable trade entries. The same, of course, works in downtrends. Here, we get our sell signal, the price is trending down with our red line acting as a resistance above, the price rallies up to retest, it gets rejected, and continues lower. This means it was a perfect shorting opportunity. But back to our indicator here. For swing traders that prefer a long-term experience, you can increase your left and right bars to smooth out the signals and focus on major structural breaks with wider stops. For scalpers, you can decrease these values and you'll get more frequent signals with tighter trailing stops that respond to quicker price action. Using pivot points to identify trend changes is super valuable because you're trading based on the actual market structure, not just mathematical formulas. So, if you want this indicator 100% free, search for Pivot Trend. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and join our Discord.